told you that the same pharmacy degree sitting in your drawer right now could get you a job paying over 1 crore a year abroad? Let me tell you exactly where, how much and how to get there. 2026 is offering record demand and rising salaries for pharmacists globally. Countries like Australia, Canada and the USA are actively searching for skilled pharmacy professionals to support their healthcare systems. Pharmacists are now no longer just dispensers, they are the frontline clinical professionals and the world is paying for that. Let's talk numbers, real numbers. Australia is paying 70,000 Australian dollars per year and the exam is OPRA, Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. Canada. Pharmacists in Canada earn around 1,17,000 Canadian dollars per year and Canada gives the fastest PR pathway among top destinations for pharmacists and the licensing exam here is the PEBC. USA. US clinical pharmacists earn between 1,30,000 to 1,60,000 USD, the highest gross salaries globally. The licensing route for internationally graduate goes through the FPGEC and NAPLEX. Highly rewarding but also the most demanding pathway. UK. NHS Band 8A, 8B pharmacists in the UK earn around 72,000 gross with a strong defined benefit pension and structured career progression. GPhC registration is your entry point. Gulf. UAE and Saudi Arabia. The Gulf is a unique zero income tax. What you earn is what you take home. You need the DHA exam for Dubai, SPLE exam for Saudi Arabia. Jobs here also come with additional benefits like housing, transport, fast entry. Now the part most people get confused about. How do you actually apply? It's a 4-step process regardless of which country you choose. Step 1. Eligibility and document assessment. Every country starts here. In Australia, it's the APC skill assessment. In Canada, it's the PEBC document evaluation. In Gulf, DHA or MOH verification. Submit your degree, transcript and registration certificate. Step number 2. Clear the licensing exam. It's a non-negotiable licensing exam differ by country. OPRA for Australia, PEBC for Canada, NAPLEX for the USA. No exam, no license, no exam, no job. Step number 3. English proficiency. The Pharmacy Board of Australia requires an IELTS overall score of 7.5 with no band lower than 7 and the requirement for PTE score is proficient English and the UK have similar requirements. Step number 4. Visa and registration. The total cost for the Australia pathway includes exam fees, English test and document verification and visa typically ranges from 2 lakh to 6 lakh rupees or maybe more. Plan your finances early. Once registered, the job market is excellent. More opportunities are found in rural areas, often with added incentives and bonuses. Every step of this journey, from choosing the right country to clearing the right exam to building the right application, needs a strategy. That's exactly what Elite Expertise does. They are an Australian-based pharmacy career coaching platform co-founded by clinical pharmacists actively working in Australian hospitals. They have helped hundreds of Indian pharmacists clear OPRA, PEBC and DHA exam. Whether you are a fresh B.Pharm graduate or working professional ready to make the move, they will build your personalized roadmap from day one. Comment OPRA right now and the Elite Expertise team will reach out with everything you need to get started. Your international pharmacy career is one decision away. Make it today.